12th July 2020, Sunday. Good morning, you are listening Asra Fayaz, your news anchor from Love Asra Media. Here we bring you latest updated news from around the world. News updates or headlines are: Coronavirus cases in India cross 8 lakh mark. Another highest single day spike adds over 27,000 cases to the tally. With the record of single day increase of 27,114 cases, India's COVID-19 tally zoomed past the 8 lakh mark on Saturday, just 4 days after crossing the 7 lakh post, according to the Health Minister data. This was the 8 consecutive days that the COVID-19 cases in the country increased by more than 22,000. According to the data updated at 8 a.m. on 11 July 2020, the test roll climbed to 22,123 with 519 people diseased in last 24 hours, while the total coronavirus case load surged to 8,20,960 on Saturday. There were 2,83,407 active cases and 5,15,385 recoveries. The total number of confirmed cases include foreigners. Thus, around 62.78% of patients have recovered so far, as an official said. Moving to the next news. Kanpur encounter. 2 persons arrested for helping 2 wanted criminals hide in Galore. Kanpur. Police here on Friday arrested 2 persons with criminal backgrounds for helping to hide 2 wanted criminals at their residence in Madhya Pradesh, Galore, in the connection with the Kanpur encounter case. The arrested 2 persons have been identified as Om Prakash Pandey and Anil Pandey, who helped to hide 2 wanted criminals, Shashikant Pandey and Shivam Dubey. Further action is being taken. Kanpur encounter case main accused Vikas Dubey was killed in an encounter with the police on Friday. Moving to the next news. RBI Governor Shaktikant Das decodes why banks are rushing to raise capital, warns NPAs set to rise. Decoding why a large number of lenders have been rushing to raise capital. Reserve Bank of India RBI Governor Shaktikant Das today said the central adequate capital ready to deal with any shock that came upon owing to the coronavirus pandemic. Shaktikant Das said that the RBI wrote to the bank and other financial institutions in March this year asking them to have a plan in place to ensure continuity of business and have mechanisms in place to deal with an emergency challenges. Building buffer and raising capital will be very crucial, not only to ensure credit flow but also to rebuild resilience in the financial system, the RBI governor said. The central bank in 2 separate communications in July and June asked the bank to conduct COVID stress tests to analyze the impact of the pandemic on their balance sheet, asset quality and liquidity. Moving to the next news. Google bans 11 apps for spreading notorious malware. Uninstall them from your phone now. Strengthening the move to make its platform more secure for Android phone users. Google has delisted as many as 11 apps from its Play Store that were associated with Joker malware. checkpoint that deals with the security solution has said that the Joker malware was found in all these apps that have been taken down by the Google from Play Store. They have suggested users of these apps uninstall them immediately. This malware could manage the user to subscribe for a premium service without intimation, and as they got inside these apps user had installed on their phone, they could not be detected by Google Play's protection framework. With these news, I ended today's latest updated news. I, Asra Fayaz, will come with latest news update tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day. Thank you.